Spring Green, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baraboo, Portage, Reedsburg, Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Wisconsin Dells, Lake Wisconsin, Lodi, Lake Delton, Spring Green, West Baraboo, Westfield, Lawrence, Packwaukee, Plain, North Freedom, Oxford, Endeavor, Merrimack, and Longvale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Double heading.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin until 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:25 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Belmont, or near Darlington, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Blanchardville and Hillandale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the